Hi everyone, happy day or sad day, grounding day, peaceful day, wherever you are in your unique journey. Today we are exploring the power of sound. My name is Renee. I am a guide here within SOaR. SOaR is on a mission to redefine emotional well-being on a global scale. So what does this mean? It means to shift our perspective around emotions globally, to be able to accept emotions as sensations moving through the body that are here to be felt, and then shift the perspective around how you engage with life during the moments that the emotional sensations ebb and flow. So today we are playing with sound, which means that we're going to be engaging the throat. So as always, we're going to check in, have an emotional check-in. So I invite you, wherever you are, sitting, standing, walking, even laying down, wherever you feel most comfortable, an invitation to gently close your eyes, or maybe you have your gaze lower, your gaze breathe down a little bit. So if you're walking, don't close your eyes, just have your gaze feel a little bit softer. And then from this place, noticing the inhale and exhales moving through your body. Maybe you notice your belly expanding, your chest rising. Noticing the sensations as your exhale releases. And then from this place of observing your breath, bring to mind a scale from 1 to 10. 1 being low and empty, and sad being expansive and happy and vibrant. Where are you emotionally in this moment on the scale from 1 to 10? And whatever number rises, know that it is here to be felt, for you to be in that experience, and that it is completely accepted wherever you are. Now welcome that number to float away, and you may open your eyes or bring your attention back to the present moment. So as mentioned before, we're going to be playing with sound. Specifically humming, and noticing the humming vibration in the throat. So with this being said, I will share a little bit with you now as a practice, and then we can hum together. And before I hum too, I always ground myself a little bit. So whether it's really feeling my feet on the floor or my hands go to my heart, sometimes or many times I envision a golden light or a certain light frequency around me. Whatever feels most authentic to you in the moment, especially right now. So here in this moment, I'm going to be sinking down into my awareness, down into my feet. Taking a deep belly breath in, and then humming out. You can join along with me now at your own pace and explore the sensation of humming on your own. Maybe a hand comes to your heart as you continue humming and noticing the vibration under your hand. Maybe a hand comes in front of your throat or on your throat, or to the sides of your throat, and noticing the humming there. A couple more cycles. On this next exhale out, humming out, you may close your eyes once again or have a gentle gaze. Just notice maybe your body starts to sway. Maybe you're really still, or check in with how your body is feeling after moving the sensation of humming into your body. And also an invitation to have both hands come to your heart, one over the other, however you feel called to place your hands. And one more time, let us all hum together. Deep inhale into your belly, humming out. Beautiful community. So you may notice, and you may not as well, that after humming, your body goes into the state of deeper relaxation, deeper peace, and the energy, the intention moves from maybe the mind being really active and drops down into the throat center, into the heart space, into the body itself. So this is really beautiful, regardless of what emotion you're experiencing. I tend to hum anytime I'm feeling anxious, or there's a lot going on, or I have this sacral energy. I have this energy to keep going. But I know that my body doesn't want to go anymore. It's just this urgency that may be part of society or my own choices. So by humming, I'm pausing everything, dropping the mind, going into the throat, going into the heart, and soothing my nervous system, bringing a sense of calm over my body. And not to change the emotion, to simply witness the emotion. Yes. And it maybe changes and it maybe doesn't. So with that being said, let's have an emotional check-in now. So going back to the scale from 1 to 10, 1 being low and empty, 10 being vibrant and happy. Where do you fall now on the scale emotionally from 1 to 10? Beautiful. So this is an invitation as we continue to explore our SOaR gatherings and play with certain techniques and practices. It's also an invitation to bring them into your lifestyle. So whether you're taking a break at work, you're at home, you're engaging with a conflict with another person, you can always step away, excuse yourself, and have the mind slow down and return back to the body. Not to shift or change the emotions, although to make sure that there is no reaction from the emotion. You're able to hold the frequency, hold the sensation of the emotion without the emotion dictating and changing your life. Yes. Okay, dear community, it was another short, sweet, and simple one, and we'll do our best to keep them short to ensure that you're able to integrate these practices in a way that's really relatable and sustainable as well. Much love to you, and wherever you are emotionally today in this moment in time, may it simply be a sensation that passes through like a cloud and you'll keep on flying through. Okay, much love. Drink water too. Yeah, water's good.